Hey guys, welcome to another video for the Redmi K20 Pro, also known as the Mi 9T Pro in China and elsewhere. Well, what we are talking about over here is yet another system update from Xiaomi for this wonderful device. The number of the update is 12.5.2 and the region where this device has received that update is global. So basically not in India, not in China, we are talking about a global ROM. So this update does bring some new changes, but what exactly has changed? Is there anything new in store for us? Will we get MIUI enhanced edition? I don't really know, but we will find out about this update in this particular video. But before we get into all of that, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. In the description of each video, you will find a link to our Telegram community where you have more than 1,000 like-minded people with similar devices and they discuss all sorts of custom ROM stuff. So join us there. Last but not the least, if you think the hard work is worth the effort, please click on the join button and support the channel. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, so MIUI 12.5.2 for the Mi 9T Pro or the Redmi K20 Pro. Let's see what has changed. So first things first, let's actually go to settings, let's go to about phone and let's go to all specifications. You do see it says Mi 9T Pro instead of Redmi K20 Pro because this is a global update. The Android version is still Android 11 of course. Security patch is the 1st of July 2021. Now, I am shooting this video on the 17th of August 2021. So as always, Xiaomi is late to the party. The number is 12.5.2 stable. If we go to the MIUI version and we click on what's new, well, same old usual drill. Now if I wanted, I would have shown this to you towards the end of the video, but that's not the point of this video. The point that I'm trying to make over here is yet again Xiaomi has given us optimization, updated Android security patch to July and increased system security. Well, something is better than nothing. That is the current situation for the owners of this wonderful device. It's an amazing device and you get to know the capability of this device if you install custom ROMs. Trust me, it's an amazing piece of hardware. Nonetheless, let's check all the basics. To the left over here, as always, you have your app vault or whatever you want to call it. So let's have a look at the launcher version. Now first of all, because this is a global update, you get Google Dialer and Google Messages, not System Dialer or not the MIUI Dialer or MIUI Messages. And moving on, if you go to settings, you go to more and you see over here, this is the system launcher. You have gestures and system navigation. You do have your home screen layout. Recents, you do get your horizontal recents, so that is something really good, but you don't really get an option of -1 screen. Tell me if I'm missing something over here. You just have an option to turn it off or turn it off. I don't want your stupid app vault, Xiaomi. Trust me, Google Discover is much better and I use it on a daily basis. Now moving on, if we talk about the security application, let's go to the app info over here. Now you do see it is 5.3.0. So the security app is not updated as well. Now moving on, if we talk about Game Turbo, so Game Turbo is something that is updated recently in a lot of ROMs. For example, if you go to BGMI over here and you see what Game Turbo you have, you still have your old Game Turbo with the old voice changer, and I haven't tested this in any of the games if voice changer works or not. So we will definitely talk about the benchmarks. I did run Geekbench and CPU throttling tests, so we do have some decent news there at least. But moving on, if you actually go to settings, because whenever you get a new update, it's not necessary that Xiaomi will mention that we have changed this or we have updated this. So it's always a good thing for us to go ahead and check if there is anything that has changed. So security status over here, find device on, security update is the 1st of July. Google Play Protect, let's go ahead and check, no harmful apps. Google Play system updates, let's see, it's checking for an update, download and install. So this is how you can go ahead and install the Google Play system update. It says 1st April 2021. SIM cards and networks, Wi-Fi, connection and sharing, always on display and lock screen. Nothing new at all, everything is still the same old. If you go to additional settings over here, Do you see anything new? Not at all. Even in full screen display, you have all the latest options which were available. So I don't see anything new over here at all. And as I said earlier, you do get your Google Dialer and Google Messages, so you will have a voice prompt every time you go ahead and make a call and try to record that particular call. So that is about everything that has changed in this particular update. But how does it perform? You know, that is what is important. Maybe tomorrow I'll do a live stream, because today I'm not doing a live stream. I plan to shoot a couple of more videos and we can have at least some more videos out. A lot of topics are pending. So let's talk about the performance over here. So first thing we have is the CPU throttle test. Now, after multiple attempts, I got this particular result. Average performance 179,678 GIPS, and the CPU throttle to 88% of its max performance. Now, this is with Game Turbo. This is not without Game Turbo. I have added it in Game Turbo. If you remove it from Game Turbo, trust me, it throttles left, right, and center. Now, let's also quickly have a look at the score of Geekbench over here. So as you can see, even this is enabled in Game Turbo. Let's go to history. 745 single core and 2672 multi-core. So pretty consistent and stable scores over there. I've not had any issues with this particular OS in 2 to 3 hours of usage. Everything is working as expected. No new bugs, no new glitches. And if your Widevine L1 was fine, it will continue to be fine. So if you're in India, you can install this particular update using TWRP recovery, because this is a global update, and of course it is better than the Indian update. So that's it, just a security patch update, similar benchmark scores, nothing new here for K20 Pro users. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a gaming live stream with this particular update. Until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at PhoneOps. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.